Welcome to the System Design Lifecycle presentation for the FedEx Leave of Absence Management System. FedEx provides customers and businesses worldwide with a broad portfolio of transportation, e-commerce, and business services. It offers integrated business applications through operating companies competing collectively and managed collaboratively under the respected FedEx brand. FedEx is part of the global transportation, business services, and logistics industry. The company began with Federal Express in 1971 and now has over 300,000 employees in over 200 countries and territories. The FedEx mission statement puts value on returns for their shareholders, providing highest quality for their customers, and developing relationships with their employees. FedEx has several unique organizational strategies. While maintaining one brand worldwide, they operate multiple companies to meet specific customer needs. Loyalty is one of their strategies, and employees are number one in this area. When it comes to FedEx values, employees are number one. As we continue through the system design lifecycle, please keep in mind the high importance the company places on their workforce. FedEx has over 300,000 employees worldwide. Currently, employees request time off through a semi-automated system which is maintained in spreadsheet form. Both managers and administrative staff have become overburdened with the current system. Additionally, the current system is leading to dissatisfied employees and takes up valuable working hours. This is the list of team members who are working on developing, designing, and implementing the new FedEx Leave of Absence Management System. The planning phase consisted of multiple tasks, including setting goals, determining how the system will benefit and add value for the company, as well as assigning tasks and creating a working schedule for the project. This slide contains the graph showing the working schedule that the group created. Before selecting a solution to the problem, the current as-is system will need to be studied to identify areas for improvement. The development team will also consider alternatives for the new system. The team ultimately decided implementation of an automated leave of absence management system would best solve the organization's problem. Remember FedEx's emphasis on their employees? Well, this new system will save time, improve employee morale, and allow employees and their managers to better plan and improve efficiency across the company. The next task was to determine both the functional and non-functional requirement of LAMs. The team utilized business process automation as well as joint application development to determine the requirements and scope of the project. With the new leave system, employees should be able to enter a new request for leave, review their peer leave calendar, and review their own leave history. Additionally, managers should be able to approve or deny leave requests. Below is a complete list of requirements for the new system. The team then considered whether to outsource the system design, purchase a prepackaged software, or develop the system in-house. The criteria used for acquisition is listed here. An alternative matrix was created to compare the different options for the new system's acquisition. As you can see below, in-house development utilizing VB.NET was the best alternative. Before continuing, the team completed multiple feasibility studies, including technical, economic, and organizational. Based on the JAD sessions, multiple use case analysis were developed, including request for leave of absence authorization, leave of absence request approval, and view team leave calendar query. Process modeling diagrams were developed next. These are the Level 0 and Level 1 data flow diagrams for the new system. They show how the data will flow through LAMs. Once the data flow diagrams were complete, an entity relationship diagram was developed to show the entities, relationships, and attributes within the new system. One requirement of the new system was to be browser-based. Therefore, client-server architecture was selected. The team further developed requirements into operational, performance, security, and cultural and political areas. When it came to data storage design, the team selected a relational database using SQL. Two example tables are shown here. The primary key in each table is identified with a star. An implementation plan for LAMS was developed which includes completing the programming, documentation development, testing, user training, and the ultimate deployment of LAMS to production. The next step in the system design lifecycle was to design the user interface for the system. It is shown here. The following slides show prototypes of the system. This screenshot shows the peer calendar query, where employees can query to see when their peers are scheduled to be off work. After an employee runs a query to see when their peers are off work, this is the result. This is the screen where employees would make a new request. This is the screen used to run a leave of absence history query by either an employee or their manager. And this is what the history results look like when a query is run. This is the screen for manager review, where the manager can either approve, deny, or forward the request on to another supervisor for review. There are many benefits of LAMS for the FedEx organization. Not only does it provide an alternative for the manual system, employees can also request leave remotely. They can also check the status of requests from anywhere and avoid having to contact the manager asking for a status update. There is also the ability to archive requests and upload supporting documentation. The ability to see peer calendars improves the work efficiency and allows people to plan ahead. The project team anticipates minimal ongoing budget requirements for maintenance as well as no foreseeable problems. In the future, additional modules could be developed for frontline supervisors and higher level management to aid in planning employee time off. This concludes the presentation for the new FedEx Leave of Absence Management System. The team members welcome your questions or comments. Thank you.